Hey everyone, Brian and Jeff with Workshop Addict, and today we are going to take a look at Bosch's DG490CE die grinder. This is a 6.5 amp unit that has a no-load RPM from 2,500 to 8,000. There's a little dial on the back where you can crank it up, change it. Pretty awesome little unit.
Unfortunately, it still has a dial, not a trigger.
You like the variable speed trigger?
It's nice to have it at will. You know, you're not searching for it, but all in all, a very powerful tool.
You know, the nice part about having the variable speed trigger is, or variable speed dial in this case, is that you can change up for different types of bits that you're going to put on the end. The die grinders that I've had in the past are either air, pneumatic, where you can adjust it a little bit, or some of them, the last Bosch one that I was using was just on or off at a constant speed. So you had to buy bits specifically for that unit. Here you can adjust up, and even some of the bits that you could buy for drills will work at the 2,500 RPM setting. So it gives you a lot more options. So if you're looking for a die grinder, one of the things that I'd look at is, will it fit for what you're working on? I mean, you can use these for all kinds of stuff, from deburring all the way up to industrial use. If you're in a casting factory or anything like that.
Which is basically deburring.
Right. And I use them just to make little gadgets. I'm kind of into this. I hate to be this way.
Like to play with them.
I do, but I'm into this little thing, and I don't want to spoil it for everybody, but I'm taking car pistons and kind of turning them into different things.
That's why you're asking me for pistons.
I know, but they're cool. Some things are taillights, in some cases they're cup holders. I mean, it's just something that you can do with this that makes it a lot easier. And if you're doing automotive work, you can grind things out a little bit easier than getting a big grinder in there. You can use it as a cutoff wheel.
And just the assortment of bits that you can get for them it's never ending. You know, it's for whatever you need.
Right, and especially if you're taking care of, and this one is new, I actually got this. This is actually a 20,000 RPM wear brush wheel, so that's, I don't know, I'm excited to try that out. What this unit has is a switch, so you have a little button you push forward, and if you want to lock it on, it will stay forward and stay on. This has constant speed circuitry or constant response circuitry, so when you do put a little bit of load on it, the circuitry will actually put a little more power to the motor to try to keep the RPMs the same. This unit is made for industrial use and has a high torque gearbox.
It does have the extended spindle to get you into a little bit more tighter spots, where if the bit was back here, you'd be a little more cumbersome. It is 15 1/4 inches long, 3.5 inches wide. So you got to take that into consideration where you're working, but it's not really much bigger than a 4-inch grinder, your basic body size.
Right. I love these units. You know, if you're working with metal, and in some cases you can even get wood rasps for them. So if you want to play in wood, this would give you a lot of different opportunities for a lot of different types of material that you're working on. Check them out. This one is, well, check it out at Bosch. I think this one might even be available at Amazon, but I know it's all over. It's not a brand new unit, but it is nice because it's variable speed. So stop by Workshop Addict. We'll have a blog on it. We also have a forum there with a lot of guys that'll talk metal fabrication, woodworking, home improvement, construction, anything like that. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day.